Hi there, welcome to my channel, crewvn.com.
68. Bố trí trưng tàu chiến. 1. Bung chính. 2. Tội dùng. 3. Bệ súng kép quay. 4. Ống ngầm. 5. Súng đổi không. 6. Buồng lái bắn lái. 7. Buồng tín hiệu. 8. Buồng điều khiển thiết bị dàn hướng. 9. Anten dàn hướng. 10. Ống khói. 11. Xem cứu gắn máy. 12. Cầu xuống. 13. Đèn pha. 14. Vô tuyến tìm phương. 15. Thiết bị ngăn khói. 16. Bánh lái. 17. Chân vịt. 18. Vây giam lặc. 19. Dây giật thiết bị cắt mìn. 20. Xông phá băng. Alright, so let's start with the shell magazine, or ku vu ki. Then moving on, we have the power magazine, which is called ko thuk sung. Next is the combat information center, or phong thung tin kun su. After that, there's the crew's quarter, known as buong tui tu. And finally, we reach the protective deck, which is called bung bao vei. Now let's continue with the chain locker, or buong shik. Then we have the pilot room, which is buong hoa tu. After that comes the galley, or bep. And of course, we can't forget the boiler, which is noi hoi. Moving on, we have the turbine, or tuabin. Next is the reduction gearing, which is hop jiam tok. Then comes the generator, known as mai fat dien. After that, there's the officer's quarter, or buong si quan. And finally, we arrive at the cabin for Admiral of the Fleet, which is buong do dok. Alright, let's wrap up with the hand steering room, or buong lai tai. Then there's the storeroom, which is ko chua. And last but not least, we have the fuel oil bunker, or kate nyin liu.